After a 30-minute bus ride, we are now in the Iguazu National Park. This is the line to get a national park ticket. Good thing we already got them online.
We're officially in. If you don't know, Iguazu Falls is like a giant system of waterfalls, and it's in Argentina and in Brazil. Today we're doing the Argentinian side, and in the next video we'll be doing the Brazilian side. But today we're doing like a 4-mile hike around the falls. I think we take a train to get there. It's gonna be wild.
It's a whole long day of incredible activities. Can't wait to get started.
After our hike, we are gonna do the craziest part of the day, which is a boat ride like under the falls and in the falls. It's gonna be wild.
We're gonna get absolutely soaked. I'm excited for that.
That is what I am most excited for, is the boat ride.
Now we're getting on a train to go get a beautiful overlook view of the falls. We might not get a spot on the train. We made it on the train.
We're going. Here's our first view of the river. We're walking now on some bridges.
We're walking along Iguazu River right now, and we're headed to a place called Devil's Throat. There's some turtles over there on the log. There they are. These birds are magpies. There's at least 3 of them here. Oh, I see 4.
So far, it's still really chaotic. There's like so many people on this walkway.
On this half-mile walk to the falls, it's really sunny, but then there's these pockets of shade and it's so nice. It's almost 100 degrees Fahrenheit out here today.
It's our first view of the falls. Whoa. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, look at the mist coming up.
We can just get a nice little mist off of the falls from here. It feels really good because it's so hot right now.
This is insane. You cannot even tell how big it is on here. We're getting wet. The mist coming off the waterfall feels so good.
I love how green the side of this cliff is.
You can't even tell how far down this goes because there's so much water. That's crazy.
Jenny just told me she wanted to be in the water.
So hot. I want to be in there, in the mist.
I don't think that would turn out too well. This view is amazing. You get to see how fast the water is coming down the We're pretty sure that right over there, that piece of land is Brazil. Devil's Throat is only our first view of the falls. We're gonna get back on the train, go do another hike to get a different view of the falls.
Oh, there's a little baby one. He's cute. There's so many of these things. Oh, there's another baby. Oh, they're so cute.
Those coatis are so cute. But unfortunately, people are feeding them and you're not supposed to do that, especially in the national park.
We made it onto the train.
Oh, the cute little monkey.
We just saw some monkeys in the jungle, so far we've seen coatis and monkeys. We are starting the upper trail now, which is a different, viewpoint of all of the falls. I think we're gonna see different falls than we did back there, so let's get started. Here are some more of Iguazu Falls. This area is a lot less crowded, so I think I actually might like it more than the Devil's Throat.
This is the very first viewing point on this trail, but we're gonna be on this for quite a while, and I'm sure we're gonna get a lot closer to the water.
This is definitely my favorite area so far. We are here in the summer, that is why it's so hot. We're also wearing long sleeve everything because there's lots of yellow fever and dengue here, and we were not trying to go to a hospital in Argentina if we got dengue, so here we are in our long sleeves and it's 100 degrees. We needed a quick break, so we got Coke, water, and empanadas. We couldn't do the boat tour today like we were supposed to because the water level was too low, so that was a super big bummer. But we're going to the Brazilian side of the falls tomorrow, so we're hoping maybe they said the Brazilian side can like go no matter what the water level. I'm not totally sure why, but I guess they can, so. And
we're gonna be right up and close. If we get to do what we wanna do, we'll be so close to the water. We'll basically be in the waterfall.
So hopefully in the next video, we will see you and we will be in Brazil on a boat. If not, we're still going to the Brazilian side and we will see you then.